Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix this game. Require TPM version 2.0 and secure boot to be enabled. So to resolve this problem, visit my this website page, and there are 4 steps. In just 2 minutes you can fix this problem. First step, restart your computer and open BIOS menu. By pressing BIOS menu key, it's usually will be delete F10 or F12 key. So check, it can be different as system and companies. So if you are using dead HP, so commonly this you can open. So usually you can open BIOS key by pressing delete F10 or F12 keys. So firstly open BIOS, then step 2, open BIOS, Windows opens, go to BIOS tab and find secure boot option and click it. You can move cursor by using arrows and tab on your keyboard. So use tab and arrows. Easily you can move cursor. So go to BIOS tab and find secure boot option and click it. Step 3. In this new window, click secure boot mode. Change from custom to standard. Change from custom to standard. Then click secure boot enable and choose option enable. Once you click on secure boot, so you will see the option. So just select enable. Step 4, go to, and in step 4 find out Intel Platform Trust Technology PTT. Click and select the option enabled. Now finally go to the save and exit tab and select save and exit setup. Now the system will restart and the problem will be fixed. So just in 4 steps, open BIOS and open secure boot and enable this secure boot settings. Then in PTT select option enabled. So in just 2 minutes you can fix this problem. And guys, if you have any query or question or you need a practical video about this one, so comment, I will create a new video. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel.